Hey y'all, it's Amber from Heartfully Stitched. Today's Stitch Saturday tutorial is for the back loop half double crochet and front loop half double crochet stitch. This is another simple variation of a traditional half double crochet stitch. To understand how to work this stitch, you will need to know what the back loop and front loops are. Looking at the top of your stitch, you have two loops. The loop that is closest to your body is the front loop, and the loop facing away from your body is the back loop. Click the link in the description to download the full written and photo tutorial for this stitch. You can also grab the free Scrunchie crochet pattern. So grab your hook and yarn and let's crochet. For this tutorial, you can use any hook size and yarn weight you would like. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. To create the back loop half double crochet, front loop half double crochet stitch, you will start with a foundation chain of 2 plus 1. I will be making a chain of 17. For row 1, we will half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet into the next chain, and in each chain across. Ending the row with the chain 1 and turn. For row 2, we will make a half double crochet into the first stitch. Make a back loop half double crochet into the next stitch. Make a front loop half double crochet into the next stitch. We will continue the stitch pattern of alternating between the back loop half double crochet into the next stitch and a front loop half double crochet into the next stitch. We will continue this stitch pattern across ending the row with the regular half double crochet into the last stitch. For row 3, we will repeat row 2 until your desired length. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for the back loop half double crochet, front loop half double crochet stitch. To stay up to date on new releases, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. Follow me on Instagram at Heartfully Stitched for upcoming crochet tester calls, pattern releases, and more.